Hey, welcome back everyone to another great episode of Sellthoseflippingcars. I'm Zachary. In today's episode, we are cleaning the K&N air filter that's on our 2017 Ford Explorer on the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. So all the parts and tools used in today's video can be found in the video description down below. I'm going to show you how easy it is to get your K&N air filter back to brand new condition so your vehicle can be breathing easy. If this video helps you, make sure you smash that like button in the lower right hand corner and subscribe to the channel for even more DIY auto repair. Let's jump in, everyone. Alright guys, here we are on the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine again. We have the K&N cotton reusable air filter. Who knows when this thing got cleaned last? So we went ahead and picked up the K&N air filter cleaner. We're going to go ahead and remove this air filter so we can go ahead and clean it. We did pick up this vehicle from Arizona, so it's a good chance that the air filter has a lot of sand and dirt on it. So just gonna go ahead and lift this out of our way so we can go ahead and pull that filter out. Whoop, right here. As you see, this side looks dirty, this side looks even worse. So let's go ahead and relieve the pressure on that cover. I don't really like putting too much on those cheap plastic covers, but all right, so we're gonna go ahead and take the filter cleaner and we are going to spray the filter very liberally. Okay, so this thing has to be, oh, there we go. We're gonna spray it on there, that way it cleans all this grime out. Okay, it's gonna clean it really nice. Now we need to spray both sides too. Okay, so spray the other side as well. And then after we get done spraying it, we're gonna let it soak so it can lift a lot of that dirt out, and then we're gonna run it under a low pressure water, which would be your garden hose, your faucet, something like that. I wouldn't really do it in the kitchen because you'll make the wife pretty angry at you. Now, garden hose would probably be your best bet, you know. So you see in there, we got bugs in there as well, bunch of dirt. All right, so engine's not really breathing really well with that, so we're gonna go ahead and clean it. We're gonna run it under some water in about 10 minutes. Don't let the cleaner dry on it either, okay? And if you have to do it multiple times, so be it. You know, you want to actually make this a common routine when changing your engine oil. So let's go ahead and let this thing soak, lift that dirt out, and then we'll go ahead and use some water and rinse it out. Want to spray from the clean side out. And we're going to spray it until there's no more cleaner coming out. And you already see it's getting a lot cleaner. It's getting there. There you go, we're getting a lot of those bugs out. all the stuff that's coming out of your filter is dirt, bugs, leaves, anything that your engine sucks into the intake, you will find in this filter. Almost there. We're almost there. All right. Oh. Try and get those last bugs out. Oh my goodness. There we go. All right. Looks a lot cleaner than what it was. Isn't it? Yep. Got a little bit more in there. Oh my goodness. There we go. That was one you just get in there with your finger. Why keep playing with it? There we go. Nice and clean. See that? There we go. And now we're going to let it air dry, and we can go ahead and reinstall it back into the air box. You can go ahead and shake it off as well, get all the loose water on there, but air dry it 10-15 minutes, you should be good to go. Last but not least, we want to re-oil the air filter with the K&N air filter oil. We're gonna go ahead and spray it on the top, let that dry for about 10-15 minutes, and then flip it over and spray the bottom where it has that nice red that we all know K&N air filters are known for. And as soon as it's done that and it's dry, we can go ahead and reinstall it, and your K&N air filter is now good. All right, everyone, wasn't that easy to clean your K&N air filter? We got it clean, we got it reinstalled, and now our vehicle can be breathing easy. Yes, the K&N air filter costs a little bit more off of the jump to get it, but with it being reusable, it's gonna save you in the long run, and also saves a lot of waste of paper air filters going out there into the landfills. So if you need your K&N air filter cleaner, you can find it in the video description down below, everyone. Thank you so much for watching another video right here on the channel. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, everyone, keep on wrenching. Take care.